actually did my hair for once. And I actually did my makeup. What? Who is this person?
You're filth. Yeah, me too.
The shirt's from Bromley. I love it. It's nice and soft. Where's your clothes from?
Yingling Brewery. Look how dirty the steering was. Just cleaned last week. What the hell?
My hair's finally getting long.
There's another one of your hairs. What the hell?
I shed.
You do shed.
Shed like a dog. So today we are going to go to the phone store. And he's probably gonna get a new phone. I'm still tossed up in the air.
I'm doing something huge in the tech community. It's real huge. I'm an Android for life person. I've had Android since I was in 9th, 10th grade. I'm now 23, so I'm out of high school. And I'm switching to iPhone today for the new 11. Because Android is pissing me off. I'm just tired of the apps not working right. So I'm gonna try iPhone. If I don't like it, I'm gonna take it right back. I'm gonna throw it in their face and go, hey, it's shit. Oh shit. I'm so dirty.
I know I want one, but we'll see. I have an Android, but I've always had iPhones and I miss it. So, and then we might go to the pumpkin patch.
Might.
Okay, we are going to the pumpkin patch. And then maybe a parade.
Oops.
So, yep. So we'll just bring it along today. I love vlogging. It's like home videos. And I know in our last video we said that our next video together was gonna be a vacation. That's next time.
She lied.
I was like, okay, well, we're gonna film some fall festivities.
Meeting in the bedroom. Decorating a new bedroom. Where's that? In my bedroom.
We will film a vacation very soon. I think in 2 weeks we're going. We're going the 26th.
So for everyone watching, it's actually 3 weeks we're going.
1 week. It's 2 weeks today.
They'll be uploaded the following week.
Exactly, then it's gonna be 1, not 3.
From today.
Yeah, today is 2 weeks till we go. Today is the 12th.
3 weeks till they'll see it.
Maybe. I don't know, because I have to get a video filmed next week too.
Oh, heck. So 4 weeks. You guys are going to have to wait 4 freaking weeks.
You'll see.
Per fall.
I don't know what to film next. I got new earrings last week. Well, one, because I lost my other. But, okay. We're going to go listen to music because we can't when we're filming because it's copyright. So... We got the iPhone. I got the white one.
I got the dark one.
He got the black one. He has an outer box already on it. We're gonna go to Best Buy and get me a case because they didn't have any cute ones in there. They had like all just plain ones. So this is the iPhone 11. The original one. And that's the front. And there's all the apps. Oh. Can't do it from not looking. That's everything. Maybe we can do an iPhone 11 review if you guys want, like what's on my iPhone 11. So yeah, we got it. She's pretty. So we're gonna go to we're gonna go to Best Buy and get a...
Why is all my stuff dark?
That's how it is. I think, well, mine's not, is it? I think you can change it.
What is this? Allow others.
You can change it because when I texted Brett, mine was white.
What?
I think you can change it.
I want mine white.
Yeah. The camera's really nice. I look so blonde in the camera. Look, I look blonde.
You look hot.
So yeah, I think so far we're happy with it.
I'm pretty happy, yeah.
So yeah. Now we're gonna go to Best Buy and get a case on this thing.
This is a perfect time to vlog. Oh.
I am.
We got good news.
What?
So I'll explain this.
Hang on, I need to get my seatbelt on. Safety first, guys. Now remember, we showed them the phones. By the way, we got the case.
So the adventure with these phones, right? We get them all set up, hooked up, good to go, they're perfect. We get to Best Buy to get herself a new case, and I had to get a little headphone thingy, headphone jack, because iPhones are primitive like that.
Hang on. Copyright.
And then she texts me just playing with the phones, just to have fun with them. And it comes up this different number that we've never seen before. And she goes, oh, you don't have my number saved. And I look down, I'm like, that's really false because I just texted my best friend and his number came up exactly how I had it saved before. So I was like, huh, that's weird. Why are we, and then we checked it out and she had two numbers linked to one phone. Now any iPhone gurus out there are probably like, stupid, you had the links, you had the account linked up or something stupid, stupid.
Well, I didn't go to school for that, so I don't know.
But even so, not our fault. So we take the phone, we go back to Sprint. Keep in mind, we show up at Sprint at 10:30 this morning, right after they opened. And it's now 6:30, and we're 6:30 in the afternoon. And we're first leaving the store now, completely good to go. So anyways, come to find out, when you go to transfer a Samsung phone, doesn't matter from what carrier, the accounts get linked, or the numbers get linked and they get messed up, and they had to do an
DFU.
DFU, I was thinking MRE. They had to do a DFU to it, and a whole bunch of other crap, but now it's good to go. So now we
I got my number.
She got her number back, my phone's perfect.
But now I have to download my apps and all that stuff. What?
Gotta stay on her phones even longer. That's a cool part.
So, yeah. Like I said, if you guys want what's on my iPhone 11, just let me know. But we were supposed to go to a pumpkin patch and a furniture store today, but...
And possibly a parade, but here we are. 9:30.
6:30.
6:30, none of that's happening. So we're just gonna get ice cream, we're gonna go home, watch racing and call it.
And maybe we'll do it next week and bring you guys along, so.
Right.
But that sunset though. I'm the type of girl who always gets amazed by sunsets. No matter how many times I see them. And this one. I get amazed every time I see him.
Him?
I could have went to PetSmart. So yeah, this vlog might be kind of short now. Just because of the struggles with the iPhone. But, I mean, maybe I can download my apps tonight and do a little what's on my iPhone to add on to the end of this, but I don't know.
Oh shit, thanks.
What?
I'll just stop and turn it on.
So yeah, a good hair day and a good makeup day went to waste at a Sprint store.
To be fair, a lot of people did come in there and check us out at that Sprint store because we were like, oh, they're here, oh, we're still leaving and they're still here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yellow.
Our luck. I even said, let's not plan too much because we don't know how long taking these phones is going to get.
It wouldn't have taken that long if the numbers, if I didn't have two numbers to this phone.
Like the dude said, like Kevin Gates.
So my phone's at 28% because everyone was trying to figure it out. No one could figure it out until...
Yeah, literally everyone around the... Look, it's all dark now. What the hell? Oh, look at it. It like went up to color. I am totally new to this whole iPhone thing, and I don't know if I'm coming in at the wrong time or what, but this is foreign as heck.
it. I think she's happy that we're home.
She's very happy. Come here. Yay. Hey, what's the matter?
Hi, Pipe. Oh.
Hey. Okay, take a seat.
Oh, you got your doggy.
Okay. Ready, Pipe. Salvatore's been.
Woohoo! Tail goes a mile a minute.
You gotta go pee, Pipe? We're back.
Next day. Didn't we say we were gonna go to the furniture next week? But I guess things changed.
What?
We said we were gonna go to the store next week, but it's the next day. So that's okay. My makeup is coming off. I forgot to take my makeup off. I was that tired. That's okay. So we're going to a furniture store to get or look for him. Look for him. Look for a dresser for this one.
For a room remodel. I don't think it's gonna stay. Yeah.
So we'll film when we get to the store, because I'll just bring it in and sneak it around.
Yeah, I'm sure they won't care. Well, you might even help them out.
So we'll see ya. Someone wants to go antique shopping.
I'm not fucking antique boys.
You know, ghosts can attach themselves to this stuff.
There's so much used furniture in my room. That is nice.
Don't buy dolls in an antique store. Ghosts are attached to them.
Ghosts can attach themselves to anything you don't want to go that far. By the way, we're not hipsters, I'm just cheap as shit with furniture right now.
These are toys.
During the park thing. That's cool.
Look at the cookie jar. Look at the pet one. Hey, I found a dresser. It's kind of big.
I want it to be a little bit longer. I want it to be that length.
This one has a mirror on it, which you said you didn't like.
This one wouldn't have. This probably used to be like an office or something in the old building. Boom and Spies, biatch.
He likes this one.
And again, we're not here because we're hipsters.
I like this one,
Get beat up out here.
but it's a little dirty.
This one here.
Mm-hmm. Outfits from Target. Well, this is. I don't know where anything else is from.
American Eagle.
So, sorry for my appearance. I just got home. So I'm in my bed. But I've had the iPhone 11 for about 24 hours now, and I just wanted to let you guys know how I am feeling on my first day with it. And I just must say I absolutely love it. I had an Android before, but that was just like a temporary phone. I did have an iPhone before, and it now made me realize how much I missed it. So I just got the original 11, the one with the 2 cameras, which I think is like $600 or $700, I don't remember what. And then the Pro and the Max are 300 to like 500 more just for the extra camera. So I can, when in reality I can just zoom in, which that's the camera that they're missing on the 11. So I love it. But the only thing is, when you're on Snapchat, it kind of makes you look like golden hour, if that makes any sense. Like, look. No, it's not gonna do it. But I thought I looked yellow in some lights, but maybe not. But it's very, very good quality. But let me show you guys a little bit about this phone. So you can tap it, and there it is. And then you just scroll up, and then you have all your apps. And the camera is kind of like the thing to know. So here, we're gonna have this pillow for demonstration and my bag. So if I want to take a picture, this is normal. It will look like that. But if I want to like zoom out, it'll zoom out like this. Which the other camera, it just has like a zoom button. Which if you just zoom in on this, it looks perfectly fine. And then they have time-lapse, slow-mo, video, photo, portrait, which is nice, and pano. So, got FaceTime. I don't know why it's blinking up there. Is my camera blinking? I don't know. But I don't have anything too special right now besides my main stuff, which I have to still get more. But yeah, if you guys want me to do a what's on my iPhone when I finally get it all set in stone, just let me know. And the thing is, with this battery thing, it doesn't let you know how much battery you have unless you scroll down. Then it lets you know. So that's the only downfall. But I love it. And I have this case and the 2 camera. And I have the white one. And this phone case is from Best Buy, and it's Kate Spade. And this wallet thing, which I don't think it's going to stick on because it was from my old phone I got at Target. So yeah. So far, I'm loving it. But like I said, if you guys want to know what's on my iPhone in a few weeks or so, I can definitely film it if you want it. So yeah, what also comes in the box is obviously the charger and earphones. Yeah, this is the end of the vlog. We'll be sure to vlog more soon because like I told you, I love it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.